Assalamu alaikum and hi guys. Today I'm going to show you a DTMF robot that I made which is controlled by a coding app called Arduino IDE. So this is the DTMF controlled robot and I'm going to be showing you the parts of the DTMF controlled robot. So this is a DC motor which helps the robot moves in different directions, and the DC motor is connected to the motor driver, which when the motor driver is connected to the battery with this plug, and the battery is here, and when the motor drive is connected to the battery, it gives the DC motor power to move the robot in different directions. And the DC motor is also connected to the Arduino with these wires over here, which gives the digital pin of the four digital pins of the DC motor, which I can write in the Arduino IDE app and make the robot move. So this is the main part of the robot. It's called the DTMF decoder, and this wire over here will be connected to the device which I'm using. And these wires are called D0, D1, D2 and D3, which in the app, the serial monitor, the values will be shown of the numbers. And this is the breadboard which can be used for extra connections. So you can see this is the Arduino IDE app, and you can see I put the name as DTMF control robot, which is the robot name. And you can see this void setup, which void setup means that the coding which I wrote over here, you can see all in void setup, it will only run once. So now next you can see I wrote serial.begin 9600, so means the bodies of that command I wrote is 9600. So now you can see all these pin modes I wrote, and the pin modes I wrote are 13, 12, 11, 10, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So which equals 13, 12, 11, 10 means they are the DTMF, which are inputs, and 6, 7, 8, 9 are the DC motors, which are output. Now you can see the void loop, and loop means the coding is going to keep on repeating again and again once the coding is finished. So you can see these INTs, which means integer, which D0, D1, D2, D3 I mentioned in the DTMF, which equals 13, 12, 11 and 10, the digital pins. So you can see this big line of coding that I wrote, and it is serial.println, which in the serial monitor of this Arduino IDE, it will show the values of D0, D1, D2 and D3. And you can see this I wrote D0 is plus string, and I wrote it with every single one, D0, D1, D2 and D3. So which means the values of these D0, D1, D2, D3, it will be shown in the serial monitor. Now you can see this coding, and I wrote if the D0 value is 0 and the D1 value is 1 and D0 value is 0 and D3 value is also 0, the digital write means the digital pins value, it should be high, low, it should be low, high, high and low. So basically means that's the reading of the robot going forward. Now you can see the second one. If D0 and D2 value is 1 and D1 and D3 value is 0, it will be digital write 9, 8, 7, 6, all are low. So means the robot will stop in that coding. And you realize in the ifs I did not put the semicolon because the code is not completed yet. We need the digital writes for the code to be complete. And now for the next one I wrote if D0, D1, D2 are 0 and D3 is 1, then digital write 987 will be high, low, low, high, which will indicate the robot in going backward. Now in the next one you can see if D0, D1 is 0 and D2 is 1 and D3 is also 0, it will be digital write 9876, which will be low, high, which is like a pattern, and it will be the robot indicating going right. And now you can see this is the final part of the coding, and this is if D0 is 0 and D1 is 1 and D2 is also 1 and D3 is 0, it will be digital write 9876, which will be 9 equals high, 8 equals low, 7 equals high and 6 equals low, which will indicate the robot in going left. Now let's see how the DTMF control robot actually works. So now, as you could see in the video, when I clicked on 2, the robot went forward. When I clicked on 8, the robot went backward. When I clicked on 4, the robot went right. And when I clicked on 6, the robot went left. And the app that I used in this video is called DTMF Tone Decoder. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all liked my video. Comment down below which one was your favorite robot that I made. Bye.